If you're experiencing FPS drops in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to improve your gaming performance. This guide will help you optimize your settings and system for a smoother experience. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve performance and stability. Step 2. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Launch Baldur's Gate 3 and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution and adjust the graphics quality settings to medium or low. Disabling features like VSync and reducing shadow quality can also help improve FPS. Step 3. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and lead to performance issues. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Go to your Windows settings and adjust for best performance. You can do this by searching for performance options in the Start menu, selecting Adjust for Best Performance, and disabling visual effects. Additionally, ensure that your power settings are set to high performance. Step 5. Check hardware performance. Monitor your system's performance while playing the game. Use tools like Task Manager or MSI Afterburner to check CPU and GPU usage. If either is consistently maxed out, consider upgrading your hardware or cleaning your system to improve airflow and cooling. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming experience.